Hi guys, I'm Anisha and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to share my skincare haul with you guys, the products that I have bought and why have I bought them. Also I leave the links for all the products in the description box, so please do check them and let's get started. So first I have this, the Plum's Green Tea Night Gel. I actually wanted to buy their aloe vera soothing gel, but that was out of stock. Actually, it is always out of stock. Whenever I see it on site, it's always out of stock. So I got this one instead. In this, the second ingredient is aloe vera juice. So I'm satisfied. And other than aloe vera, this also has argan oil, glycolic acid, licorice root extract, green tea and willow bark extract. All of these are mentioned in the ingredient list, but these are below phenoxyethanol, and phenoxyethanol is usually 1%, so all of the ingredients below phenoxyethanol might be below 1% in this one. It's hard to believe. I mean, if you market a product with green tea and the green tea is less than 1%, anyways, this one is actually targeted to people with more oily, acne prone and combination skin type, but I actually got it to try it on my skin. My skin is dry and sometimes combination, so we'll see how will it form. And this is the jar inside. Looks cute, right? Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that this also has fragrance. The fragrance reminds me of the green tea mist. I used to use that. If you are allergic to fragrances and if you don't like fragrance in general, so there's a point that this has fragrance. Also guys, this is a haul video and kind of haul first impressions kind of video, and I'm not going to review this because I haven't tried these products yet. Once I use these products, I plan to make a product review video as well, so let me know if you guys will be interested in that. Okay, so moving on, a salicylic acid cleanser from CosRX. So the reason I got this, I have a few reasons. One is I was in a desperate need to find a new cleanser. Cleansing, guys, is one of the most important steps in your skincare routine, and I haven't found a good cleanser yet. I'm trying out different ones, so it's another trial, as you may say. And another reason, yes, I wanted to try this brand CosRX for a long time, so I thought, why not a cleanser? And this one actually has 0.5% salicylic acid, which I think would be great for my whiteheads. And also salicylic acid in a low percentage like 0.5 would be great to use every day, like in this as a cleanser form, and would be good for everyone, so I thought I'll try this one. Also for the ingredient list, this one I see no harmful chemicals as such, and the second ingredient here is glycerin, and it also has 0.5% salicylic acid, so a win-win situation. So I'll try this and I'll let you guys know. Okay, next let's stick to cleansers. I have one more. This is the Simple Refreshing Facial Wash 100% soap free cleanser. So this was one that was on my wish list for a long time, and it was out of stock for a long time. So the day when I was buying all of the other products, I saw this in stock and I was like, I have to buy this. Abhi le lo, fir pata nahi kabhi milega. So I got this one, and this one, as the name suggests, it is simple, kind of no frills, everyday kind of regular face wash. And it is targeted to people with sensitive skin, and that's because it has no fragrance, no alcohol, no essential oils, and also no added harsh chemicals or colorants. This also is cruelty free, which is a thumbs up. So the next two products are from the brand Sugandha. I was really intrigued by the brand for two reasons. One, it's an Indian brand, so yay. And two, the ingredient list is a dream come true. The ingredient list is so good, I couldn't skip on the products. The only reservation I had was that their products were formulated with fragrance originally, but now they also have a fragrance free version, so I was like, way to go. Okay, on a side note, I do prefer products with no fragrance, just because fragrance in skincare can be sensitizing to the skin, especially to those who already have sensitive skin or compromised skin barrier. So I try to promote fragrance free products or non-irritating products on this channel. So just a side note. The first product I got was their Sugandha 10% niacinamide serum. And if you guys don't know, niacinamide is a superstar of an ingredient and can be beneficial for all skin types. It reduces hyperpigmentation and dark spots. It can control sebum production, thereby controlling your acne. It also restores hydration in your skin. It fights free radicals, and it can also calm and soothe the redness and inflammation in your skin. And apart from niacinamide, this one also contains panthenol, hyaluronic acid, centella and green tea. I mean, it's a win-win situation. You can use it by itself, or you can add a few drops in your moisturizer and then apply it. The other product I got is their Rose Hip Moisturizer Unscented version. This is a lightweight moisturizer for people with combination to dry skin. Again, this one has rosehip oil, jojoba seed oil, caprylic dry glyceride, niacinamide as well, panthenol and curcumin. Curcumin is actually like turmeric, and that also gives it a little yellow tint to the moisturizer. This is a bit expensive than your regular face moisturizer, basic moisturizer, but I still got it. Reason being, one, Indian brand, good product, and it also has glass packaging, so I think that would also add up to the price point. So I got this one and I'll let you guys know. Again, if you want to see any of these products, I leave the links in the description box. So the next and the final product is a toner. Although toner is not an essential part of a skincare routine, it's not necessary in your routine, but I do use a toner every single day. If you don't know what a toner is or what does a toner do to your skin, you can check out my video all about toners. I'll leave a link in the cards. Also, this one I've heard a lot good about this product, so I got this one. This is the Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. This has a lot of emollients and moisturizing ingredients in it, so I thought this would be great for colder months. So I got this one. A lot of people like this one because of its feel and texture. It's kind of like a moisturizer in a toner form, if that makes sense. People use it and layer it 2 to 3 times and then skip the moisturizer step completely. So it actually acts like a 2-in-1 kind of product for them. This is also fragrance free, essential oils free and alcohol free. So that was it for my haul, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm planning, as I said, to make another video. Once I use these products for a few weeks, I'll make a product review video. So stay tuned for that in the near future. And also, before ending this video, I really want to thank you guys because we have crossed 100 subscribers. Also, my last video was well received and it crossed 5,000 views. So that is insane. And I'm really grateful. And if you haven't yet, please do subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!